director of the DOST Industrial Technology Development Institute. She has led efforts in developing sustainable and innovative technologies that directly impact industries such as packaging, printing, and plastics. Her continued advocacy for research-based solutions contributes greatly to the advancement of smart and sustainable manufacturing in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the Director of the Department of Science and Technology, Industrial Technology Development Institute, Dr. Annabel V. Briones.
Much for that warm introduction. Good morning everyone, to our distinguished guests, industry partners, and to all here, the exhibitors. To the organizers of this event, I am deeply grateful and honored to be part of this 31st PAC Plus Philippines 2025 opening ceremony, and for the opportunity to address such a distinguished audience of industry leaders, innovators, researchers, policymakers, and stakeholders. This event is the country's premier trade show for the packaging, printing, and plastic industries, serving not only as an exhibition, but also a celebration of innovation, collaboration, and our shared vision for a more sustainable and competitive future. For 31 years, PAC Plus Philippines has been a key platform where experts, businesses, and innovators come together to showcase advancements, share insights, and shape the future of our industries. This year's focus on smart manufacturing, emerging materials, automation, and sustainability is perfectly timed. We live in a time when industries are being transformed by global trends, technological changes, and environmental issues. To stay competitive and relevant, we must be willing to adapt, innovate, and work together. At the Department of Science and Technology, Industrial Technology Development Institute, or DOST-ITDI, we take pride in contributing to this transformation. Our mission has always been to promote industrial innovation by turning research into practical, sustainable solutions that support industries and communities. Over the years, we have collaborated closely with industry partners, the academe, and government agencies to develop technologies and services that address both current and emerging challenges. As one of the research and development institutes of the Department of Science and Technology, we follow the mantra and branding of DOST, which is one DOST for you, solutions, opportunities for all, representing our commitment to providing science, technology, and innovation, or STI solutions, and creating opportunities for all Filipinos. It signifies a unified approach within the DOST system to serve the public by making its programs and services accessible and impactful, fostering national development and improving lives. One of the DOST-ITDI's notable initiatives is the development of eco-friendly packaging technologies, which include biodegradable films, compostable materials, and plant-based alternatives designed to reduce dependence on single-use plastics. We are also supporting industries and local government units by piloting plastic recycling technologies, pyrolysis systems, and biogas digesters that help manage waste effectively, while creating new opportunities for energy and resource recovery. Additionally, ITDI continues to enhance innovative manufacturing solutions and process automation tools that increase efficiency and strengthen our industry's competitiveness in both local and international markets. Beyond innovation, we offer world-class testing and certification services that enable Filipino products to meet global standards and thrive in highly competitive marketplaces. These efforts are anchored on one shared vision: building a sustainable and circular economy where materials are designed, used, and reused responsibly, minimizing waste and maximizing value. Through our ongoing research, technology transfer, and capacity building programs, we aim to develop systems that not only enhance industrial performance, but also protect our environment and communities for generations to come. However, our goals cannot be achieved alone. Lasting progress requires strong partnerships and meaningful collaboration. That is why gatherings like this, the Packprint Plus Philippines, are so important. They bring together innovators, decision makers, and change makers under one roof to share ideas, explore new opportunities, and co-create solutions that will shape the future of our industries. I encourage everyone here to use this opportunity to strengthen networks, build partnerships, and push the boundaries of what we can accomplish when science, technology, and innovation work together. As we open the 31st Packprint Plus Philippines, let us celebrate not only the impressive progress we all have made, but also the great potential that lies ahead. Let us keep working together to build industries that are smarter, more competitive, and more sustainable. On behalf of the OST ITDI, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the organizers, exhibitors, partners, and participants for their dedication, hard work, and commitment to innovation and excellence. Congratulations to everyone for making this event possible. Thank you, everyone.